Welcome to First Union Lending. Today, we're talking about small business loans in Wichita, Kansas. Wichita, the largest city in Kansas, is also known as the air capital of the world. It's the birthplace of successful businesses like Pizza Hut and White Castle. From browsing the exhibits at the Museum of World Treasures to wandering through Botanica, the Wichita Gardens, there is plenty of entertainment in this city. Wichita can be the perfect place to grow a business. If you're a small business owner in Wichita, you understand the need to constantly improve, and small business loans can help with that. Let's talk about the top 4 industries in Wichita and how business loans can support these industries. The manufacturing industry is huge in Wichita. Home to over 900 manufacturing companies, the region has pioneered and grown to become home to the world's largest aerospace manufacturers. For this industry, equipment financing can help you purchase or upgrade equipment when needed. The healthcare industry in Wichita encompasses a wide range of practices and specialized medical manufacturers vital to the community's health. It's home to hundreds of specialty medical practices, employing over 27,000 medical professionals. For this industry, SBA 7A loans are great for general purposes. For expansion, SBA 504 loans are perfect for buying commercial real estate. Next, let's discuss the oil and energy industry. The greater Wichita region boasts a diverse energy section with over $6.5 billion in annual exports. With 2 refineries in the area, Wichita shows potential for growth and expansion for petroleum-based manufacturers. Businesses in this sector can support their businesses with SBA loans and equipment financing. Lastly, the information technology industry is growing in Wichita. The Silicon Prairie has grown to be one of the fastest growing tech centers in the nation. The area is booming with a high demand for IT professionals. Even the local universities are creating partnership programs for young adults looking into this profession. This industry can benefit from SBA loans and lines of credit if there are gaps in cash flow. Now, let's talk in more detail about the common types of small business loans available to Wichita. SBA loans. These loans are partly guaranteed by the Small Business Administration. They have extremely flexible rates and terms, as well as strict lending requirements. There are a few different types of SBA loans, including 7A, 504, micro and disaster loans. Business lines of credit. Like a credit card for a consumer, a merchant can pull funds from the line and deposit them in their bank account. Interest is paid only on the money withdrawn. Equipment financing. This financing option is used to purchase necessary business equipment. Your loan term will last as long as the equipment itself does. Business term loans. These loans provide a lump sum to a borrower and are differentiated by the length of their repayment. Invoice factoring. This financing option is best for business owners whose customers are other businesses. You sell your invoices at a discount to a factoring company in exchange for a lump sum of cash. These are just a few of the loan options you have to choose from. While each of the available loans have varying qualifications, lenders will typically ask for the following general information: business operations history, business revenue statements, personal and business credit scores, and collateral if needed. Now, let's discuss some of the advantages of small business loans. You can maintain day-to-day operations, purchase and upgrade equipment, renovate your existing location, or acquire a second location. Add extra staff with top talent to your team. Improve your cash flow by consolidating existing debt into a low monthly payment. How will you make your business stand out in Wichita? Maybe you'll introduce a new product, renovate your building, or create a new marketing strategy. Whatever the project, you'll probably need extra capital. Instead of searching for a traditional lender with a lengthy application process, choose First Union Lending to provide you with faster funding. Unlike traditional banks, we do not scrutinize you in terms of just a credit score or number of years in business. We take a big picture approach. We want to know what value you bring to the Wichita economy and how you plan to grow your company. Our loan agency serving Wichita has had the chance to work with a variety of Louisiana companies, including those in healthcare, food and beverage, manufacturing, retail, and many more. We are all about creating long-term partnerships designed to enhance your business and set it up for success. So, what are you waiting for? Call for a free consultation to help your business grow and become successful.